Hello, wonderful viewer. As we embark on the journey into 2024, let's explore 9 transformative points that can reshape your life and guide you towards unparalleled success. Number 1. Vision and clarity. Success begins with a clear vision. Define your goals, visualize your success, and cultivate a crystal clear understanding of what you aim to achieve in 2024. A well-defined vision serves as your compass, guiding you through the journey of personal and professional growth. Number 2. Resilience and adaptability. In a world marked by constant change, resilience and adaptability are indispensable. Embrace challenges as opportunities to learn and evolve. Cultivate the ability to bounce back from setbacks, adapting your strategies and approaches to navigate the dynamic landscape of success. Number 3. Continuous learning. The pursuit of success is a perpetual journey of learning. Commit to ongoing education and skill development. Stay curious, explore new horizons, and embrace the ever-expanding realm of knowledge that empowers you to stay ahead in your endeavors. Number 4. Effective time management. Time is a finite resource, and mastering its management is key to success. Prioritize tasks, set realistic deadlines, and optimize your productivity. Learn to differentiate between what is urgent and what is important, ensuring that your time is invested in activities that align with your goals. Number 5. Building meaningful connections. Success is often a collaborative effort. Cultivate meaningful connections with individuals who inspire, support, and challenge you. Networking is not just about the quantity of connections but the quality of relationships that contribute to your personal and professional growth. Number 6. Mindfulness and well-being. Amidst the pursuit of success, prioritize your mental and physical well-being. Practice mindfulness, develop healthy habits, and ensure a balance between work and personal life. A healthy mind and body are the foundation upon which success is built. Number 7. Adherence to core values. Define and uphold your core values. Integrity, honesty, and ethical conduct form the bedrock of lasting success. Align your actions with your values, as success achieved through principled means stands the test of time. Number 8. Embracing innovation. Innovation is the driving force behind progress. Embrace a mindset of innovation, constantly seeking new solutions and approaches. Stay ahead of the curve by adapting to emerging technologies and trends, ensuring your relevance in a rapidly evolving world. Number 9. Celebrating achievements and gratitude. In the pursuit of success, take moments to celebrate achievements, no matter how small. Express gratitude for the journey and the people who have contributed to your success. Gratitude fosters a positive mindset and fuels the motivation to continue reaching new heights. Thank you, amazing audience, for joining me on this journey of self-discovery and empowerment. If you found these 9 points insightful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, and share this video. Your support means the world to me, and together, we can make 2024 a year of transformative success. Until next time, stay inspired, stay motivated, and remember your success story is just beginning. Subscribe for more content, and thank you for being part of our community.